Here is how you can double the money in your trading account instantly. Everything shared on this video is for educational purposes only. What is Forex market, first of all? Forex market is the largest financial market in the world. As you know, there are many financial markets out there, like stock market, real estate market, bonds, etc. One of those financial markets is foreign exchange. It's the global marketplace where currencies are exchanged for trade, travel, investing, and cross-border businesses. And it has a huge turnover of over $7.5 trillion a day. And our goal as traders in the Forex market is to trade currency pairs, for example, euro against US dollar, and identify where there is an opportunity for the price to have either increase or decrease. And if we are right with our forecast based on our strategy, we generate a profit. If we are wrong, we get a loss on our trading account. And you decide whether you're going to buy or sell on a currency pair based on your strategy. And you always use proper risk management, because you will never be always right. So you need to be careful with your risk. So in the long term, you are profitable as a trader. Now, a very important thing you need to know when you're trading in the Forex market is finding reputable brokers are the companies that allow you to trade in the financial markets, and they get your positions, move them in the markets, and then you either make profit or a loss. And you need a reputable and trusted one. So in order to be long-term in the markets, one of those brokers that I personally use is PU Prime. PU Prime is one of the most recognizable world-class brokers all over the world. They have over 450,000 active clients. You can trade over 1,000 trading products. They have multiple regulatory licenses and they operate in all over the world. They offer to you education so you can learn how to trade the Forex market, stock market, and they also offer the feature of copy trading. It is trusted from traders around the globe and it's available on your app store, either whether it's an iPhone or an Android. And they have some of the best conditions when it comes to spread, commissions, and swap fees. If you feel that you're lacking leads, you feel that you don't have people to speak about your business, your product or services, and you are stuck, then the sponsor of today's video is coming here with a solution for you. Leads Sniper is doing scraping of information and leads for a lot of years for a lot of marketers and business owners, and it can help you start having quality leads to talk to, and not just talk to, but also quality leads that you can convert to your products or services. They have a Google Maps scraper, they have a Google search scraper, they also have a Yellow Pages scraper and domain email extractor. If you want to learn more information about Leads Sniper and start having sales for your business, just click the link down in the description to learn more information. Now, let's get back to the video. Another great thing about PU Prime is that they offer their own web trader platform. When you create your account in PU Prime, you will be able to log in into your web trade and do your technical analysis like you see right now in my screen. You can enter your positions directly from the platform. You have the confirmation of entering a position. You can set up the risk, the stop loss, the take profit of your position, and then you can see the whole history of your positions. On the left side, you will be able to see and navigate through different financial assets and find different tools that you can use for your technical analysis, like trend lines, support, resistances, boxes, text, Fibonacci's, etc. And PU Prime right now offers a 100% deposit bonus. You can get up to $1,000 bonus of your first deposit. And here is how it works. You deposit $1,000, you instantly receive $1,000 as a bonus, giving you 2 times more trading power to start trading from the beginning. So in order to get that bonus, you go to your client portal after you create your account. You can do it by clicking the link down in the description to qualify for the bonus. And on the left side, you will click promotions. You make your deposit after the promotion has been activated from your client portal, and 100% of your first deposit will be awarded as a credit bonus, maximum up to $1,000. And then after every next deposit, you get a 20% bonus up to maximum $9,000. And as a trader, you need to find a broker that is regulated. And you see PU Prime being regulated from FSA, FSC, and FSCA, making it one of the most trustworthy platforms you can choose from. So click the link down in the description, make your first deposit, and get your 100% or 50% bonus deposit. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to our channel, and leave in the comments any questions you may have, and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.